next speaker. And talking about him, I have a question to ask. Like, what will you do if you have a degree from IIT? All right. So maybe you will settle for a great package, and that's it. But Bhakta, he did not want to settle for an ordinary life. Very early, he has been turned into an entrepreneur. While working in his job 9 to 6, he has built his own enterprise in during his evenings and in the weekends. So today, job wise, he is already holding a very good position in the corporate in one of the big MNCs. And talking about the business wise, he is very successful. Not only he has built he is a successful entrepreneur, but he's mentored to a lot of people, who a lot of aspiring entrepreneurs. And that is how he is building his business very globally. So it is a privilege to invite him today. His name is Bhakta. So I invite Bhakta and share with you your own thoughts, how you have built it, such an enterprise, and what is in for the people who are attending for the first time. Over to you, Bhakta.
Thank you, Mukul. Am I audible? Okay, fantastic. So it was excellent listening from Likita and Deepti. So they are young entrepreneurs, like their journey was fantastic. Even like Deepti shared about the leverage. Honestly speaking, I'm not sure how many people understood, but if we can look at this, any successful person is following the same concept of the leverage. So to talk about myself, as Mukul told, I went to IIT. So why I went to IIT? Because I have some big dreams and goals, like even like entire association was telling about that if you get into IIT, it is done kind of thing actually. So I thought like, okay, if I work hard and get into IIT, then life will be set. That's what I understood, and I went there. And so after that, I got selected in the campus, and I was so happy, and I got into the corporate. And after that, like I went to US, UK, and a couple of countries. I was really surprised, like what I'm doing exactly. What is that I want? Like I was really in a confusion state actually. So like the money wise, I was expecting something, and my dreams wise, goals wise, I don't have time to think about it, because I used to work like a morning 9 to 9, sometimes 2, sometimes even beyond as well. So like I don't know how, but we got something called idea, like whatever we do, if you work very hard, we'll become successful. So that's what even I thought. That's where I was trying out. But later, when I got connected to one of my friend, he is also like my colleague, and from Srinivas, and he is from IIT Madras. So this, when he connected through this Marine Global Entrepreneur School, then many things got cleared actually. So what I was thinking and whatever I was studying in IIT Kanpur, all these things, they've given me some clarity. Even in my job, I was into the excellence category, like I was implementing the best practices, lessons learned, backup, and risk mitigation. These are the things. But I was not realized that I can put the same thing in my personal life. Even I'm not sure that I can able to implement that in my personal life as well. That was I was okay. Once I got connected to this entrepreneurship team, then it was really amazing actually. So that's where my like many of my friends, they used to call me like maybe their relatives or somebody, like they want a career guidance. So what we need to, which job we need to get into. Okay. So generally I'll ask them, it's like this actually. So it is a vehicle, which vehicle we need to choose means which bus you want to get into. Before that, I will ask them where you want to go. That means where you want to live. Honestly speaking, even till I get connected to this entrepreneurship team, guided entrepreneurship program, even I was not aware of it. Like going to on-site, like working very hard, I can become successful. Later, I realized that there is something called destination. Even another way, we have some dreams and goals. Even from our college days, also many people have a dreams and goals. But knowingly, unknowingly, our job pressure or something, it will be pushed down actually. So that's where I realized that. So dreams and goals, whatever our dreams and goals, if we are not able to achieve it, there's no purpose actually. That's what I realized it. And one more thing is, like what I realized in my job is, like nobody likes to control somebody, right? Do you like to control somebody? No, right? Even I don't. Even children don't. But surprisingly, shockingly, our income, whatever the income we are making it, is controlling everything what you do. Where I stay, what vehicle I drive, and where my children are studying, and everything, honestly speaking, even including what kind of dress I wear, everything on that. So I was really shocked. That's where I realized that what we need to do is we need to decide our income. That's what is the goal. Okay, that means that if you can able to get that, that is called freedom. You will not be controlled by the money. Okay, that's what is really exciting me, and financial freedom. That's what I was traveling on this. This journey is like my journey. I just wanted to share is a micro entrepreneurship. What exactly micro entrepreneurship is? Something which you can able to easily you can able to start. Okay, without any major hustle. Okay, so honestly speaking, this opportunity when I got connected and I got selected, wherever you are sitting right now, in the same position, you can get started and you can get connected, provided if you qualify the person who are invited you, if you can qualify to this program actually. So what do you mean by qualified? If you have a dream, if you have a goals, okay, and if you have like a willing to listen and learn and willing to work hard for a few years, okay, so this is what we are looking for it. As I told, I am from IIT, and my person who introduced me this entrepreneurship program is IIT. It doesn't mean you don't need to be in IIT, okay, because the people who are on different backgrounds. So last week, like we listened to one of the 80-year entrepreneur, like it was shocking actually. Many people at the age of 60, they feel like they're done everything. Okay. So this is the entrepreneurship program, guided entrepreneurship program, which is helping people towards their potential to achieve their dreams and goals. This is designed in a such a way that help people to achieve their dreams such that we can able to achieve our dreams and goals. To talk about my coach and my mentor, only people who are successful people have the mentors and coaches. Okay. So my mentor you want to talk about is he was also from agriculture background. He got into IT. Then he realized in few years that he cannot able to achieve big dreams and goals. That's where he started working in his spare time very hard. In few years, he become so successful that his job income is become optional. He got free at the age of 30. Can you believe it? Now he is helping people like me across the globe. So that means this opportunity where I started, okay, as a simple, without much investments, okay, without leaving our job, we can able to start, but you can able to be expand globally. Right now, people who are listening, most of the people, they're making multiple currencies. Even I made different currencies because I went to on-site. Whenever I went to on-site, one country I made money. But here, sitting in India, okay, we are making different currencies. That is the potential of this opportunity. So nowadays, Corona, right? So tested okay. So whatever the products or anything you buy, there is something called tested okay. Did you heard about it? Did you saw that, right? So what it means? Whatever it is purpose, it meant. Now the Corona is tested. What it is tested? The health it is tested. People who are given importance to it and who work on their health, they are normally they're recovering it. People who are not given any importance to the health and they neglected it, they're getting into the worst conditions of this. And second part of it, this Corona is impacted, tested the many businesses also. More than 95% of the businesses in less than 5 years it will fail. But here, even businesses more than 5 years also, it got collapsed through this Corona. Why? It's got tested. But right now, the opportunity which we are talking about, we are expanding globally. The same Corona effect is tested and is past this opportunity at 100%. Okay. So we are boundaryless. We are working on a different countries sitting in India. Think globally, act locally. That is the principle we are working on. So all these things is possible because like why 95% of the people fail or businesses fail is because they couldn't able to handle the challenges they face. Here, there's a mentorship program, guided mentorship program. Is to be an example to give on this. It's a success journey is like a slippery steps. When you are walking, there is a possibility will slip. But this mentorship program is something like a strong grip rail guard, which can able to support you to move further towards your success. This is what is mentorship is all about. The potential you understood how you can able to achieve globally, starting in simply in your home, being there without major investments or without leaving your job, but you can able to become so successful on that. So what are the challenges? The challenges is we need to work hard for few years, willing to listen and learn from the mentorship. These are only the things we need to work on that. So you need to prioritize our time. Everybody is running at the speed of 24 hours per day. No doubt about this. Okay. But how successful we are. Just look back. How many years we are working on that? And what is the success we achieved on this? What is that dreams, goals we are not fulfilled on that? Just connect back to the person who are invited you. They can able to help you to reach your dreams and goals. provided if you can qualify it. Okay. So rejection, sometimes we'll feel like Likita was telling about the rejections. Yeah. When the rejection, my thought process is not matching with somebody else's thought process, then definitely it's a rejection. Okay. So what we need to guide is, for a simple example, anybody can become successful in the business. Okay. So for example, like there is a helium balloons, the balloons they were playing with the helium. Okay. So one guy comes over and asks that this black balloon also flies. That guy says that definitely, if you fill the helium in the black balloon, that also flies. So why I'm telling is, like, many people, they might be thinking about doing something even for the decades, but they couldn't able to proceed. Okay. So probably many people have many hesitations. It's only here. So what we need to do is, we need to clean up. Okay. So anybody becomes successful, provided if you are willing to listen, willing to learn, and follow the mentorship guidance program, which is the well defined route map. Okay. We can able to work on that. Only thing is, we can prioritize and postpone couple of things, and we can able to prioritize the things which is very important 3 to 5 years down the line, then work hard for a couple of hours per day, then we can able to make it happen. So this is what we are working on that. Absolutely, we are enjoying it. If you are really serious about it and you whoever invited you, connect back to them. And if you really qualify for this program, it's a 3 to 5 years, you will be here and you will be talking to the people and you will be helping over them. So that's what I'm done with this, and back to host.